Hey all, Raim from Killer Inc here, and today I'm going to be running through the features of the EGO V2 Plus. Designed and created by tattoo artist Bez from Triplesix Studios in Sunderland, UK, the EGO V2 Plus is a lightweight rotary that features the remarkable power triangle system, so let's have a closer look. Following on from the little Ego, the V2 Plus is a super lightweight tattoo machine with a wrist-friendly design. With all of the weight shifted to create a more pen-like feeling and eliminate wrist pain, the EGO V2 Plus is perfectly balanced for maximum needle control. Since the EGO V2 Plus is made from high-grade, scratch-free plastics with a special UV coating, you'll find that it is very easy to clean. The materials used also contribute to the lightweight of the rotary, with the machine topping the scales at just 65 grams. Powering the EGO V2 Plus is a German-made Fahrhaber motor, which is very reliable and powerful enough to push any size of cartridge without any problems. Compared to its predecessor, the V2 Plus features a strengthened vise and a new rail system, resulting in less noise and improved smoothness. It also includes an RCA connection here. Similar to other machines from EGO Rotary, the V2 Plus comes with Bez's patented power triangle system, which efficiently replicates the front and back spring system from coil machines. Each V2 Plus machine comes with a variety of different power triangles, and each different colour denotes a different density of rubber. This allows artists to configure their V2 Plus exactly how they want it in terms of give and throw. Thanks to the power triangle system, the EGO V2 Plus combines the reliability and consistency of a rotary tattoo machine with the same workability as a coil machine. The EGO V2 Plus is available to order from Killer Inc via the link in the description below and is available in various colours, including 3 of the latest crystal designs: blue, pink and green. So what do you think of the EGO V2 Plus? Will it be your next rotary tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.